Watch it until I'm bored. RAYE Nightingale Lane. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. There's a timer right here, so we should probably, yeah.
This is a song about the greatest.
She has the same mic. This mic. No, it's not same. Look at this. It's not the same mic. Oh no. Yeah, look at this. It's not the same mic. She has it. It's not the same. It's pretty the same. Look at this. Her mic is round. Is more round, and mine is more angular. I believe so. Oh no. Yeah. Let's. Yeah.
This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I've ever known.
Oh no.
The song is
Oh no.
called
You shouldn't
Nightingale
say this. Oh, you don't.
On the street,
Oh, she has a beautiful voice.
South London suburbs.
I'm sorry, I read your comments. All of you all of you told me like, please don't talk till you are doing the thing, reacting, and I'm like, no.
Well, my first love kissed me
She has a beautiful voice.
goodbye. His lips were thin, tear stained,
But if I'm getting bored, the reaction ends.
and tear stained was a pain.
Oh, if I'm getting bored, a video ends. It's actually a good
That made me
label
holding on.
for this show.
The oceans I cried are made of steel. Just like, but when
If
I drive
if I get bored,
I reminisce.
video ends.
I drive slow, I'm letting go now. Just see a ghost town and red lights.
And red lights.
Tell myself, I let myself to go on, just saying. Somebody loved me once. Somebody will again, like the way.
Yeah, I'm not bored. Still not bored. She's doing really well. I thought I'm supposed to end it like really quickly, but it's actually good. It's great. Your her vocal have increased greatly in recent times, so we should be persistent on watching her.
Love me on Nightingale Lane. Although we never made it, stranger, you showed me it's true.
Oh no, I'm getting bored. I'm getting bored. I'm Vadim content. I'm getting bored. It's really close.
I'm loving someone
Like this video before I get bored.
was alright there. And
Oh, look at her. I always saw that we as those who sing actually on stages, we shouldn't open our mouths that wide. Look at her.
next to all Park
Oh no, she's not doing this when she's like speaking, singing, but
Avenue. Standing in the rain.
1, 2, 3. No, she's not screaming anymore.
Took me long, hard years to get over you.
But she's good. She tends to falter with her words. Like, oh, it's interesting.
It was an aching.
Oh no, I'm bored.